Alright, y'all, so I've just woken up. Well, I woke up a while ago. Um, I marked out my chart already, but let me just go on TradingView actually. You can already see Asia high, London high. They've already been swept out. Pre-market, London low, Asia low have already been swept out. So I marked out 1 hour and 4 hour draws. They're equal highs to the upside on this. For this high, this is on both NASDAQ and ES. There's a high right here in ES and a high right here. These are dead equal highs, so that's what I believe is the draw on liquidity for today. We are bullish. Right now we're just waiting for my entry to happen on the 1 minute, which I think is happening on NASDAQ right now. ES, it's already happened. Well, no, it hasn't because we didn't fully retrace, but on NASDAQ we're chopping. On ES we're also kind of not moving greatly, so I'm not looking to find a trade right now. Probably going to be tradeless today. The fact that literally every session draw was taken out before market open is kind of not a great thing for me. But yeah, we're just gonna be patient, and I'm probably gonna pause the recording until I get an entry, because my computer lags. My computer lags a lot when I'm recording. So yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I take an entry. If I do, I probably won't. If I don't take an entry, I'll come back and I'll tell you guys that. But yeah. Alright, so there's no trades for today. This low that I wanted to get taken out, we went here and then we just went continuously higher. Price is chopping on ES now, which was the only index that was actually moving at the beginning of market open. So yeah, we're not going to trade today. This is terrible price action. Alright guys, so I just took a shower and I'm back on the charts. And so my bullish bias did perfectly play out again. Well, not perfectly, because this low that I wanted NASDAQ to take and ES to not take, so that we would get a bullish S&T, this low was never swept. The only thing that I could have taken a long off of would have been NASDAQ having swept London low already, which by the way is all the way down here, and then this break of structure on this candle right here. What the hell? Okay, so this high was broken, so we broke structure to the upside off of this candle, and then we retraced into a fair value gap that we created right here. That looks like that. And so I could have hypothetically entered right here on this bullish candle close outside of that fair value gap, targeting those equal highs for a 1 to 2, and that would have absolutely gone crushed. Well, actually no, it wouldn't have. My computer's really like overheating, sorry about that. But yeah, so the bullish bias played out, but we didn't sweep this low. I think if we would have swept this low, I think we could have easily taken these equal highs. You can see NASDAQ didn't even take equal highs. ES did. NASDAQ might take these highs out in a few seconds or a few minutes, but we never got that sweep of the lows. We did get a perfect model entry if you disregard the fact that this low wasn't swept. For take profit, we would have had to target something weird, because there's really no targets that would have gotten hit in terms of 1 hour or 4 hour draws on liquidity. So I didn't take any trades today. I saw some people that I watch online, some traders online. I saw them, they made money today off of longs. And I kind of thought that I missed out at first, because right when I got out of the shower, I saw that notification of the people. They were saying like, yo, I made this much money today off longs, I made this much money today off longs, whatever. So I was like, shit, did my bias actually play out, and did we actually sweep the low? So just now I got back on to check, and we didn't even sweep the low, so I probably wouldn't have even taken this trade, even if I was on the computer at the time that this price action was forming. So yeah, no trades today. Yesterday I was forced to not take a trade because I was in class and the professor was like talking to us about stuff, and one of my friends was like sitting next to me in the chair, so I didn't want to trade in front of him. I didn't want him to see me day trading in class, because I'm more of a private person when it comes to that. But yeah, so we didn't take a trade today or yesterday. Honestly, I'm not really that mad. I'm not mad about missing out on today's trade, because my bias didn't play out. If I was in the shower and this did sweep the low and then go bullish, then I would be mad if I missed out on that because I was showering. But looks like my shower didn't cause me to lose money, so I wouldn't have traded this anyway, even though all my favorite influencers did catch this long. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Love and appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching this. Don't get emotional if you see other people winning. Don't try to revenge trade if you see somebody get a win on the day and you didn't get a win. And yeah, follow my TikTok. Ask me questions if you want me to help you one-on-one on TikTok. That's the only way I can talk to you guys, really. Or drop a comment on YouTube. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.